1556 Shaanxi earthquake in China. Estimated to have caused the highest death toll of any earthquake in recorded history, with approximately 830,000 fatalities. 1976 Tangshan earthquake in China. Resulted in around 242,000 deaths, primarily due to the collapse of poorly constructed buildings. 2010 Haiti earthquake. Despite its moderate magnitude, it caused widespread devastation and resulted in an estimated 230,000 fatalities due to Haiti's vulnerable infrastructure. 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. The magnitude 9.1 to 9.3 earthquake triggered a series of tsunamis that affected multiple countries bordering the Indian Ocean, resulting in approximately 230,000 to 280,000 deaths.